Today I will introduce of a package this name of Confetti animation that's most usable of Flutter apps. First of all, here's a interface. Click celebration here, that's celebration, and click stuff here. This is nice animation that's amazing and useful. You can assignment and celebration that's package. First of all, need this package. Go to yours need this package in stations or go to a pubspace.yml files has confetti package. You can edit your project this dependency. Okay, has complete. Need a class name of confetti animations. You can set this name any, no problem, but need a stateful widget. First of all, need a variable that's of data type of boolean. This is playing as fall. Need a controllers, finals controllers, that means confetti's controllers. Here controller, first of all, need a init functions here of the initial this confetti animation, that's effect. First of all, here use controller to play, that means our app starting point of playing the animation, that's controller. The at event listener, that's at listener. Here state is playing, that means our boolean variable is controller to state has equal the controller state that's playing. Okay, has completed. Of course, make sure this controller will be dispose. Here dispose methods in controller the dispose. Okay, go to body has a center widget, that means then after using this column widget, here type a confetti widget. That's our provide. This package of the confetti widget has a lot of property. Most usable plus direction, this pi of controlling of the left, right, tops and bottom, and emission frequency has of the number of particles and gravity used, and the shoot loop has false. You can use true, that means use true. Has okay, run the project again. Has this celebrations. Oh, very nice. You can set a multiple color using a some color here, red, blue, and here using green. You can use and more color. Then after a lot of property here, minimum number size and maximum number size, participant drugs, and here the stroke width, stroke color. Most important has you can this created participle path. This is comment here section, and again on the project. Okay, run the project. That is not of the at ovals oval animation, but you can use here controlling the speed animation. Here you can, if you set 10 actually. Okay, now set a bottom, that's in well widget in a property, that's one tap in using this our playing variable. That's controller stuff and else of the playing. Now set a text with this stop and celebration. You can click here celebration, then again come a text stop, that means here is playing, that's true or false, working the stuff as the false of the celebration. Okay, you can using this package in your any project. Thank you everyone watching the video.